Welcome back to my channel Touch Review. Dynamic shots of the BMW Vision Neue Klasse driving on a scenic road, showcasing its sleek design and futuristic elements. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a futuristic automotive experience. Today, we're diving deep into the BMW Vision Neue Klasse. A concept car that redefines the boundaries of luxury, technology, and sustainability. Close-ups of the car's exterior, highlighting its unique design elements like the split headlights, large kidney grills, and aerodynamic body shape. The Neue Klasse is a testament to BMW's commitment to innovation. Its sleek, aerodynamic design not only looks stunning but also enhances its performance. Powered by the latest electric drivetrain technology, this concept car offers exhilarating acceleration and a smooth, quiet ride. Interior shots, showcasing the minimalist and luxurious cabin with advanced technology features. Step inside, and you're greeted by a futuristic interior. The spacious cabin is designed with comfort and sustainability in mind. The minimalist design is complemented by advanced technology, including a large touchscreen display, voice control, and gesture controls. Shots of the car's interior and exterior, highlighting specific design elements. One of the most striking features of the Neue Klasse is its innovative lighting system. The split headlights and rear lights create a distinctive and futuristic look. The car's large kidney grills, a signature BMW design element, have been reimagined for the electric era. Shots of the car's charging port and interior features. Beyond its stunning design, the Neue Klasse offers several unique selling points. Its advanced battery technology ensures a long driving range, making it ideal for daily commutes and long journeys. The car's fast charging capabilities further enhance its practicality. A montage of shots showcasing the car's performance, design, and technology features. The BMW Vision Neue Klasse is more than just a concept car, it's a glimpse into the future of automotive design and technology. With its impressive performance, innovative features, and sustainable approach, it's a car that sets a new standard for luxury and electric mobility. On-screen text, BMW Vision Neue Klasse, the future of driving. High-quality footage and dynamic editing will enhance the viewer's experience. Avoid overwhelming viewers with too much technical jargon. Use a clear and enthusiastic tone, your voice should convey excitement and enthusiasm for the car.